Exposing the truth behind Steam achievements. Most gamers don't realize you can control every achievement with just a click. Let's dive in. First, download Steam Achievement Manager, SAM, from the developer's official GitHub. Extract the zip, open sam.picker.x, and make sure you're logged into Steam. Find your game from the list or add it manually using its app ID. Double-click your game to open its achievement window. Now the magic happens. Check or uncheck any achievement to add or remove it. Want to unlock everything? Hit Unlock All. Prefer a clean slate? Lock All wipes them instantly. Use Invert for a quick flip, then click Commit Changes and watch your Steam profile update on the spot. If you'd rather avoid third-party tools, you can use the Steam console to reset or clear achievements, but it's less user-friendly and can't add new ones. Remember, use SAM wisely and never launch it with VAT games open. Got questions? Drop them below and level up your Steam game.